Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into YouTube with a temp mail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we get started, YouTube basically requires a Google account, and Google often blocks or rejects these disposable email domains when creating new accounts. Even if a temp email works initially, you may be unable to verify your account, lose access if Google asks you to confirm your identity later, and be unable to recover your account if you lose your password. But if you still want to try, come on over to YouTube and click on the sign in button. Then from here, you want to go in and click on use another account. Click on to create account. So we need to create an account. So we can choose for my personal use, child or work or business. And then put in your first name, last name, click next. Put in your basic information here. So I'm just going to do this quickly for now. Next again. Now we need to, now on this page, this is where the magic begins. So you want to go ahead and put in that temp email address here and then click next. Now, if it works, you're going to get a verification code sent to that email, and then you can use that to sign into YouTube. Okay, so I'm over in a temp mail here. So this is my temporary email address. So let's see if this works. I'm going to go ahead and copy that, come back to here and jot that in. So click next. And if it works, it's going to send you a verification code, and it looks like this has worked. So let's come on over here and refresh this, click continue. Now let's see if that did come through. All right, so it looks like it worked here. So I can go ahead and verify my email address, go ahead, get this code, come back to, where is it here, paste that in, click next, and yeah, that's how to sign up and actually sign in at the same time with a temp mail.